Diesel generator, DG set, presentation. An introduction to the DG set. A diesel generator, DG, also known as a diesel genset, is the combination of a diesel engine with an electric generator, often an alternator, to generate electrical energy. This is a specific case of an engine generator. A diesel compression ignition engine is typically designed to run on diesel fuel, but some types are adapted to run on other liquid fuels or natural gas. As a result, diesel generating sets are used in places without connection to a power grid, or as an emergency power supply if the grid fails, as well as for more complex applications such as peak-lopping, grid support, and export to the power grid. Advantages of diesel generators, DG sets: relatively low maintenance, durability, safe storage, output of power, more rugged and reliable, easy access to fuel. Generator size: generating sets are selected based on the electrical load they are intended to supply. The electrical load's characteristics such as kW, kV, var, harmonic content, surge currents, for example, motor starting current, and non-linear loads. The expected duty, such as emergency, prime or continuous power, as well as environmental conditions, such as altitude, temperature, and exhaust emissions regulations, must also be considered. Most of the larger generator set manufacturers offer software that will perform the complicated sizing calculations by simply inputting site conditions and connected electrical load characteristics. Definitions of generator ratings: it should not be used for construction power applications. For an unlimited time, output is available with varying loads. Peak demand is typically 100% of prime rated deck with 10% overload capability for emergency use for up to 1 hour. Citation needed: a 10% overload capability is available for a limited time, equivalent to ISO 8528 prime power and ISO 3046, AS 2789, DIN 6271, and BS 5514 overload power. Rating is not applicable to all generator set models. A typical application is where the generator is the sole source of power for a remote mining or construction site, fairground, festival, or other event. Fuels: diesel fuel is named after diesel engines, and not vice versa. Diesel engines are simply compression ignition engines and can operate on a variety of different fuels, depending on configuration and location. Where a gas grid connection is available, gas is often used, as the gas grid will remain pressurized during most power cuts. This is implemented by introducing gas with the intake air and using a small amount of diesel fuel for ignition. Conversion to 100% diesel fuel operation can be achieved instantaneously in more rural situations, or for low load factor plants. Diesel fuel derived from crude oil is a common fuel. It is less likely to freeze than heavier oils. Endurance will be limited by tank size. Diesel engines can run on a wide range of crude oil distillates, from natural gas, alcohols, gasoline, and wood gas to fuel oils, which range from diesel oil to cheaper residual fuels that look like lard at room temperature and must be heated to flow down a fuel line. Why Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipment and also factors in transit insurance. We can customize as per each client's needs. Finding the right vendor to meet your needs in all commercial and technical fields can be difficult. We work in a professional nature to fulfill the supply on time with regard to the quality factor, as per firm norms. We keep secrecy to maintain our business ethics while dealing with clients. Ensure the manufacturing department gets the supply without delay, taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors, evaluating, selecting, and auditing the vendor in accordance with the customer's requirements with various vendors of the same specifications and maintain the quality standards. The 4 R's are essential. The right place, the right quality, the right time, and the right price. We would get the suppliers on board at a genuine price. Contact us at the given below address and follow us on our social media and also share on your social networks.